In relation and function, second topic is relation. Okay, so see, we learnt set in first chapter, isn't it? Suppose 1 2, and we have learned Cartesian product also. Okay, so what will be the Cartesian product of a and b? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 9, 1 comma 16, isn't it? Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 9, and 2 comma 16. Now if I write relation R as 1 1 2 4, okay, so now this relation we can represent using diagram that is called arrow diagram, where A and B, so 1 and 2, 1 4 9 and 16, so 1 is related with 1, 2 is related with 4. Okay, so now here we can define relation. If you observe, relation is a subset of A cross B, isn't it? 1 cross 1 is there in A cross B also, 2 comma 4 is there in A cross B. So relation from A to B, okay, two domain. Relation from A to B will write like this. Relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B, isn't it? Because in relation, elements will be of the type ordered pair. So relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B, and each element of the relation describes the relationship between two elements, okay, two numbers, first number and second number. See here, which relation we can say? Second number is a square of first number, isn't it? 4 is a square of 2, 1 is a square of 1. So each element in relation describes some property, common property. Okay, so how we can define relation? Relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B, and which describes the property, relationship, not property, describes the relationship between first and second element. Okay, now we have domain, codomain and range. Domain, codomains and range. See, all the elements of, see, set of all the first element in a R will make domain, that is 1 comma 2. So here in this particular example, A set is 1 comma 2, so you can write A comma, A is domain. Okay, what is domain? Set of all first elements in a R, not in A cross B. Now we are considering only R. Now codomain means complete B set, whole B set, whole set B. Okay, so this will be 1 4 9 and 16. Understood? What is range? Range is all the second element, second number in a R. Okay, set of all the second elements in R. So range will be 1 comma 4. See, range is always will come from B set only. See, range is a subset of B, we can say 1 4 9 16, 1 4 is there in B also. So range is a subset of B. Sometimes it can be equal to B also. Okay, range and B are equal. Suppose here I will write 3 and 4. So 3 is related to 9, 4 is related to 16. So B set is also 1 4 9 16, and range is also 1 4 9 and 16, because all the second elements, they are, that elements related to first element. Okay, so in this case range will be equal to B, but for now we have, for this particular case we have range is a subset of B. So we can write like this: range can be subset of B and can be equal to B also. Okay, so definition, how will we write? Definition of relation, understood? Definition of relation is what? Relation, a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Okay, and each elements or we can write first element in relation, first element is related to second element, second number, second element from B, second element of B with some relationship. Okay, and what will be domain? Domain will be the set of all first numbers or first elements in a set R, in relation R. Okay, then codomain means whole set B, whole set B, and range will be, range we can say set of all second number, the set of all second number or second element in a set R. Okay, so range we can write is a subset of B, can be equal also. Now we will write example. Suppose A is 1 2 and B is 1 4 9. Okay, so A cross B will be 1 1 1 2, or directly row diagram we can write, no problem. So 1 2 is A, this is arrow diagram. Okay, 1 4 and 9. So 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4. So relation R consists of two element, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4. So here we can write domain is complete set A 1 2, because this makes first element of R. Codomain will be complete set B, that is 1 4 and 9, but in this case range is 1 and 4 only. Okay, so like this you can consider example. Now see R, this here in R we wrote all the elements, two elements we wrote, isn't it? So this is what R can be represented in relation, can be represented roster method also. And set builder method. So how will you represent in set builder method? R is a set, for this particular I am writing, where the elements will be ordered pair only, isn't it? Where second element is a square of first, isn't it? Y is equal to x square, and xy belongs to, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So this is roster method where we listed all the elements of R, and this will be set builder method where we wrote common property possessed by each of the element. Okay, now one more thing, we know, suppose if n of A is P and n of B is Q, so we know n of A cross B will be PQ, isn't it? So how many possible relation can we get from this? So we know relation is a subset of A cross B, isn't it? How many relation means how many subsets. So we know one rule, power set, isn't it? If number of elements in a set is PQ, so number of subset will be 2 power PQ, isn't it? So this is nothing but number of relations but for particular sets. Okay, if A set has power cardinality P, B number of element in B is Q, A cross B is PQ, so number of relation will be 2 power PQ, because relation is a subset of A cross B. That means how many subset it will have. So subset, to find subset we will use power set formula, that is 2 power PQ. So this is total number of relation. Okay. Question 1 is, A set is given, it consists of 14 elements. Okay, A set is given, it consists of 14 elements. Then relation from A to A is defined by this. It is in set builder form given. Then find the domain, codomain and range. So from the relation, no need to find A cross A. Okay, we know R is a subset of A cross A. No need to find A cross A. Only R we will find here. Okay, how many elements R will contain. So for R we have been given a condition 3x minus y. So this we can simplify. 3x equal to y will come, isn't it? That means we'll substitute x value and we'll get y value. So R will be, check here, x value, x and y both are from A. Okay, so we'll start from 1. So x is 1, so y will be 3. Okay, है ना, x y, x is 1, y is 3. Now next is x is 2, so y will be 6. Okay, then x is 3, so y will be 9. Then x 4, so y will be 12. Then x 5, so y will be 15. Now check here. All the elements, both the elements should belong to A. Here if you write 15, 15 is not the element of set A, isn't it? Because A consists of 14 elements from 1 to 14 only. So this won't come here. 5, 15 won't come. Then 6, 3s are 18. That means all the numbers greater than this won't come. So only relation will contain only 4 elements. Okay. Now domain will be what? Domain will be all the elements of first element of the R, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Codomain will be codomain whole set B. Okay, whole set B means here second set. So second set is A. So this will be 1 to 14. Or you can write A also. Okay, and range will be, what will be the range? The numbers, second elements of the R. Okay, so 3, 6, 9 and 12. Question number 2. Define a relation R on set N. R on set N means here both set means A to B. No? So N to N. Both set are N only, natural number. Okay. Now it is defined by this way. Relationship is given. This is set builder form is given. And y is x plus 5. X belongs to natural number, x value less than 4 and xy both belongs to natural number. So here we have to find roster form and domain and range. So what we will do here, x value will keep in this relation to get y value. Okay, and of the form x comma y means x value should come first then y value. So if you suppose x belongs to natural number, so it will start from 1, isn't it? So suppose x is 1, so y will be 1 plus 5, 6. Okay, then x is 2, so y will be 7. Then x is 3, so y will be 8. X equal to 4 won't come because condition is x is less than 4. So these are the 3 elements in set R. Now domain will be all the elements, first elements of the set R, isn't it? 1, 2 and 3. And range also asked. So range means all the second elements, 6, 7 and 8. Now suppose if codomain also, if they will ask in same question, so codomain will be, what will be codomain? Since R is N to N, isn't it? So second set is codomain. So codomain will be natural number set, that is N. Question 3, A and B sets are given. Okay, R is also defined. R from A to B. R is from A to B. Okay, so where difference of xy is an odd number. So we should check. Suppose A, B and X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. So first element from A, second element from B. So 1 comma 4 if you write. So whether this element holds true for this property, isn't it? Difference is odd. Yes. 3 is the difference, so it is odd. So 1 comma 4. Similarly, you have to check for each pair. 2 comma 4, no, because 2 comma 4 will give subtraction, difference will be an even number. Okay, so 2 comma 6, no. See, we were 1 comma 4 we were doing. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, yes. Then 1 comma 9, no, because 8 will be the answer. 8 is even number. 2 4 we checked, no. 2 6, 2 9, yes, 2 9 will come because difference is 7, which is an odd. Then 3 4, yes, 3 4 will come. Then 3 6, yes, 3 6 also will come because difference is 3. Then 3 9, no, because 6, difference will be 6, which is an even number. Then 5 4, yes. 5 6, yes. Then 5 9, no. So these all elements will be there in relation R. In question number 4, this figure arrow diagram is given to you, okay, between sets P and Q. This we should write in set builder form, roster form, and domain and range also we should write. So if you observe, see, first we'll write roster form. So relation R will be 5 is related to 3, then 6 is related to 4, and 7 is related to 5. Okay. So these 3 elements will come. This is roster form. Same relation we can represent in set builder form. Now if you observe this element 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. For difference of first and second element is 2. Okay. So what we can write? R will have all element of this type x comma y, where x minus y, isn't it? 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So x minus y gives 2, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Okay, so this is set builder form. Now domain we should write here. Domain means all the first number of the element. So 5, 6 and 7. And range will be 3, 4 and 5. Second number, isn't it? 3, 4 and 5. Now in this particular example, codomain is Q. Range and codomain are equal, isn't it? Because 3, 4, 5 is Q, whole set Q. And in relation, this relation is defined as P from P to Q, isn't it? So codomain is Q, range is also Q. So in this particular example, range and codomain are equal. Question number 5. A set is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. And relation is defined as B belongs to A such that B is exactly, second number is exactly divisible by first number. So we have to write all the elements in A. Okay. Now here R is a relation is on set A, means R is from A to A. Okay, R is from A to A. So see here, each number we know they divisible by themselves, isn't it? So 1 comma 1 we can write, 2 comma 2 we can write, 3 comma 3 we can write, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6. Each number will be exactly divisible by itself. Then 1 can divide any number. So 1 comma 2 can come, 1 comma 3 can come, 1 comma 4 can come, 1 comma 6 can come, isn't it? 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. Now next start from 2. So 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. 4 and 6 are completely dividing by 2. So we can write 2 4 and 2 6, isn't it? Then 3 6 also we can write, because 6 divided by 3 gives 3. So these all elements will come in set R. Now what will be the domain of this relation? all the first elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So repeating elements we won't write. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. All the elements of A. See? Okay. Then range will be second element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. All repeating elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Again same set A. And here also codomain is also A. So for this particular example also codomain and range are equal. Question number 6, our relation is given such that x comma x plus 5 and x belongs to this set. Okay. So we should write domain and range. Before that we will list out all the elements in R. See, first element is value of x, second element is x plus 5. So we will start substituting x value 0. So 0, if you substitute 0 plus 5, next value will be 5, isn't it? Then if you substitute 1, you will get 1 plus 5, 6. Then 2, so 7, 3, 8, 4, 9 will come, hai na? 4 plus 5, 9. Then 5, so 10. Then 6 won't come. 6 comma 11 won't come because last element in this set is 5. So these all elements will be there in R. From this we can write domain easily. Domain will be all the first element, isn't it? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is nothing but this set, isn't it? So name is not given, so let it be like this. Then range will be all the second, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. X, it is a relation is defined as x comma x cube, where x is prime number less than 10. We know what are the prime numbers less than 10, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. So x value we got 2, 3, 5 and 7, and second element value will be cube of these number. So R we can write as first number suppose 2, so 2 cube, isn't it? Then 3, so 3 cube. So 5, 5 cube. Then 7, 7 cube. So final we can write 2 comma 8, 3 comma 27, 5 comma 125, 7 comma 343. Question 8, A set is given. So n of A will be 3, n of B will be 2, isn't it? So number of relation from A to B. So what is the number of relation from A to B? It's 2 power, this multiplication of these two means 2 power 6. Okay, so we can write 64. So total number of relation from A to B, 64. Question number 9, R set is defined as A comma B, where both the numbers are from Z. Z is means in set of integers. Property is A minus B is an integer. See, if we take any two number from integer set, subtraction or difference will be an integer only. So since we have infinite numbers in Z, so A minus B, this relation will be an infinite Z. Okay. So for this particular case, we can consider domain will be all the elements of Z, because each element of domain, and if we take difference of each element of domain and codomain, it will be integer only. So all the elements of domain will come in Z, and range also will be Z. Okay. Here codomain also will be equal. Codomain is also equal. In this particular example, both range and codomain are equal.